Dear friends, welcome to DB Infotech YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install ORCA 6 in Windows, and also we will learn how to run a test calculation using ORCA 6 software. So this is the ORCA 611 software I have downloaded from that ORCA forum website. So last video I have uploaded that how to download that ORCA 611 software for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So if you don't know that video, just I will share the link. So this is that video I have uploaded how to get ORCA 6 for Windows and Linux. So if you visit this video, you will understand what to do and how to get this software from that ORCA forum website. So after downloading your software, so just you can open. So this is that zip file you will get after downloading. So this is that zip file. So you must extract this file to get this one. For extraction, you will use that 7-zip. So this that 7-zip video. So I have made one video. You can also visit this video how to get this 7-zip and install and use this software. This is also very useful. This also is free version only. Just you can go to this video. Just you can download it. So this is the things. Just right click this folder. Just you can go to 7-zip and extract file or extract here. Just click extract here. That file will extract in this folder only. So this is that extracted ORCA 611 Windows 64 this EMS MPI. So this is the software. So now we will see how to install this one and also how to run a test calculation using this software. So just after extraction, just to open this. So this is the installer ORCA. So this is the 64-bit version. If you are using Windows 32, just you can look that website is available or not for 32-bit. So this is the 64-bit version. Just double click. So this is the first thing will appear after double clicking this one, the installer. So now we will click next. Now we need to accept terms in the license agreement. So here that will ask choose installation type only for me or everyone. Just you can put everybody. Then this will ask typical and custom and complete. So while doing installation, just click complete. So now we need to click install. So click yes. So installation begins. This software will install into the C drive. Just I will show you after installation complete. This is very simple only. So one more important things. After installation of this one, we need to give the environment variable, the path. We need to set that path for this ORCA. Then only you can run this software using CM terminal. Just I will show you that. That's CMD command prompt. So here only we will run this calculations. So I will tell you later after installation environment variable setup. Now our installation is completed. Just you can click to finish. So that's all. Our installation completed. We will see where that our ORCA software installed. So just go to your PC. Go to C drive. Here you can see ORCA folder. So this is our installation folder. So this is the software installed into that folder C drive. So you can see ORCA underscore 6.1.1. This is the things. So now we will see the environment variables. So the path variables need to check is correctly fixed or not. Sometimes if you install automatically that will fix. Otherwise manually you have to do. So here you can click edit environment variable for your account, like that will come. Just you can click this. So now you will see the path. So just you can click path. So and go to edit. So here you can see C colon slash ORCA underscore 6.1.1 and slash is there. So if you see your C drive, so this is that the path C this colon slash this ORCA name will appear here and one slash will come. So here also the same thing is there. You can see the same thing. This is the path. This is the very important. If not present here, just you can click this C path and put this name ORCA underscore 611 into that here. So here you want to edit or new click, you can also click edit. Just you can mention this. Otherwise, if you want to click new, just click new. You type these things, the C colon slash and this ORCA folder name. Then only the calculation will run. Otherwise, it won't run. Just you can click OK. So that's all. So this is the one. So now we will do the one test calculations. This is our test calculation folder, water input file. So just you can open. So this is that input file. The extension of this ORCA input file is .inp. So just I open this folder with Notepad++ or Ultra Edit. So this is the input file of that water molecule for that ORCA software. So this is the simplified input file for the test calculation. So later video I will show you what are the important parameters need to include in the input file for a metal complex or larger or other things to get a good energy and good results. So this is the simplified one. Just we will do test this one with that installed software. So working or not. So for that just you can copy this path. So right click, copy this path. This is the desktop. So now go to command prompt cmd. Just you can type cmd. So you will get this one command prompt. Just you can click. Then you can go to that this input file directory. Type cd. So I think we already copied that one. So we can enter. So that will go to that folder. So now we can see what are the file is there inside that folder. So for that you can type dir. So only that inp is there, some files is there. So it's the h2o.inp. So now we will run that test calculation. For that what you have to do, just you can type that ORCA. This is the software name. Just you can type small letters ORCA. So h2o.inp. So the symbol you need to type. Then or not ORCA. That output file is h2o.out. So that's all. First you can type. ORCA, then input file name and this symbol. Then you have to type your output file format h2o.out. Then just you can click the enter button. So our calculation is running. You can see the one icon like this blinking. That means our calculation is running. So we will see that folder. Yes, our calculation is started running. So this is the temporary file is automatically create. After completion of this calculation, many files will disappear. So actually this is our output file. This calculation is running. Just I will open this output file with Ultra Edit. So this is that output file. This ORCA 6.1. So I think our calculation is running. So this is the input file what we submitted. So this is the one. So we will see the calculation completed or not. So I think our calculation is completed. So this is the, you see, after completion this will appear. So we will see that folder. So see, the many unwanted temporary files is automatically deleted. So this is the our output file. You can see, I will open again this one. You will see the completion of the things. So this is the initial. So you can see the calculation is completed. So the total time taken 1 minute 38 seconds. Something ORCA terminated normally. So here you can see some frequencies and everything will appear here. So this is the frequencies of this water molecule. So the total energy will show you. So this is the final single point energy of this water molecule. This unit is R3, energy in R3. So that's all. This is the installation of ORCA software in your Windows computer, and also how to run the test calculations. So next video I will make you how to install this ORCA in Linux. After that we will do other calculation one by one. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, share to your friend, and like and comment this video. Thank you. Enjoy.